Today, we explore the long mystery of the Bermuda Triangle, clearly and calmly together. I will keep everything simple, clear, and honest, so everyone understands this story today.
This story blends sea history, science, and human hopes across these bright Atlantic waters.
First, let us locate the Bermuda Triangle on the map, step by step, together.
It lies roughly between Miami, Bermuda, and San Juan, forming a broad sea triangle.
This busy corridor carries heavy ship traffic and daily flights over warm, fast currents.
Estimates vary from 500,000 to 1.5 million square miles.
Here, warm blue water feeds coral reefs, sea turtles, rays, and bright fish shoals.
The ocean looks kind and playful, yet it changes fast and tests every traveler. For centuries, sailors rode these routes, helped and hurried by the strong Gulf Stream.
Navigation here depends on good charts, steady hands, and careful instrument reading every day.
Now, let us see who studies this region and keeps travelers informed and safe.
Coast guards, weather services, and ocean scientists watch conditions and share warnings and guidance.
Insurance records over many years show no unusual loss rates in this region compared elsewhere.
Storm tracking and forecasts help ships and planes plan safer routes through changing weather here. Buoys, radars, and satellites measure winds, waves, and currents to improve daily safety for navigation.
No official group declares this area a special threat beyond normal ocean risks at all.
In 1918, the big collier USS Cyclops vanished with 309 people, cause unknown to investigators. Possible factors include storms, structural problems, or cargo shifts during rough seas and transit homeward.
In 1945, Flight 19 got lost during training and never returned to base that day. Reports suggest disorientation, compass problems, and fuel exhaustion were likely factors that night for them.
A rescue seaplane also disappeared. A fuel vapor explosion was a likely cause that day.
In 1948, a DC-3 vanished between San Juan and Miami during the night flight path.
Also in 1948, Star Tiger disappeared near Bermuda after poor weather and navigation challenges reported.
In 1949, Star Ariel vanished over open sea. The exact cause remains unknown to investigators.
In 1955, Connemara 4 was found adrift after a hurricane struck the area days later.
In 1963, Marine Sulphur Queen vanished. Investigators suspected structural issues and cargo risks on board.
In 1965, a military cargo plane disappeared in fair weather, leaving very limited evidence behind.
In 1967, the small cruiser Witchcraft radioed for help, then vanished near Miami without trace.
In 2015, El Faro sank in a hurricane, a tragic but well-explained case overall.
An 1881 ghost ship tale about Ellen Austin is likely folklore, not verified history today.
Claims vary widely, but carefully documented disappearances here number only in the dozens over decades. Accident rates across this region match other busy ocean areas with similar traffic and weather.
Weather here can change fast. Sudden squalls, thunderstorms, and strong, gusty winds appear without warning.
The Gulf Stream moves fast, carrying debris far, making searches hard after any incident here.
Flying at night over water increases disorientation risk, especially during storms or equipment issues occurring.
Tropical storms and hurricanes bring dangerous winds, waves, and visibility problems to travelers out here.
Rare rogue waves can form in heavy seas and strike ships with crushing force suddenly.
Ocean surveys measure currents, salinity, and water layers to understand conditions and hazards more clearly.
Weather balloons, radar, and shore stations improve forecasts and help reduce dangerous surprises for mariners.
Insurance companies report no extra risk here compared with other traveled regions worldwide today overall.
Accident investigators often find mechanical problems, human error, or weather as leading causes in losses.
Large methane gas releases here are not supported by present Earth science surveys or tests.
Underwater robots find wrecks that reflect normal maritime risks, not supernatural causes at all here.
Satellites and ship tracking tools reveal traffic patterns and help analyze incident histories more clearly.
Fast-forming storms develop over warm water and can surprise even skilled crews out here.
Rogue waves sometimes rise suddenly in storms and hit vessels before crews react in time. Strong currents, eddies, and seaweed belts scatter debris and confuse search efforts for many days.
Compasses need correction here because magnetic changes. Mistakes can lead to wrong headings and routes.
Fatigue, stress, and limited visibility can cause errors and poor decisions under pressure at sea. Aging parts, corrosion, or poor maintenance can cause failures far from quick help or ports. Schedules and costs sometimes push crews near storms, increasing risk during tight deadlines for voyages.
Over decades, dramatic stories grew bigger than facts, shaping a powerful public myth about disappearances.
Some pilots report strange cloud tunnels and electronic fog that disturbed instruments unexpectedly during flights. Sudden downdrafts and wind shear can slam aircraft downward, shocking crews and passengers severely sometimes.
Many sailors survive storms thanks to life rafts, beacons, and quick rescue teams arriving in time.
Local fishermen respect the sea here because weather can turn dangerous very fast, without warning. Rescue crews train hard for rough seas, long searches, and complex emergency situations out there.
Today, many cargo ships cross safely every day, under clear skies and careful planning routines.
Air routes remain open here, and airlines operate normally without special restrictions or warnings today. Ferries, yachts, and cargo traffic move normally through ports and marinas across these islands today.
Evidence from many sources does not show a unique danger zone here, beyond known risks.
Many famous stories were later corrected, with errors fixed or missing context added by researchers. Some cases stay unsolved, yet simple, natural causes still remain very possible to explain them. Satellites, GPS, and emergency beacons help rescuers locate people and wrecks faster than ever before.
Better training and practice tools reduce risk for crews and pilots in storms and fog.
The ocean deserves respect, careful planning, good gear, and steady attention to forecasts before departures.
Books and movies kept the myth alive, shaping public imagination for generations across many countries.
Bermuda and nearby islands are stunning, welcoming places with calm beaches and reefs for visitors. Sea turtles, rays, dolphins, and big fish shoals thrive around the coral reefs out here.
Here, myth and reality sit side by side, storms and sunshine, fear and wonder, together.
Remember, Miami, Bermuda, and San Juan mark the rough points of this triangle at sea.
There is no proof of a special threat, only normal sea and sky hazards here.
Stay curious, travel with care, and respect nature's power, beauty, and deep mysteries out there.
Thank you for joining us today. And please enjoy, learn, and explore with an open mind.